In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an automation in monday.com. To get started, open your monday.com workspace and make sure you're logged into the right account. Once you're in, take a moment to locate the board where you want this automation to live. Automations in monday.com are usually connected to a specific board, so it's important to begin in the exact place where you want the automatic action to happen. After you've opened the correct board, look near the top of the page for the Automate or Automations option. The label can vary slightly depending on your view or account setup, but it should be easy to spot in the board menu area. Click that to open the Automation Center for the board. This is where monday.com lets you build rules that can save time and reduce repetitive manual work. Once the automation panel opens, you'll usually have a couple of ways to begin. You can choose to create a custom automation if you want more control, or you can start from a template if you want something faster and more guided. Templates are helpful when you already see a common workflow that matches what you need, while the custom option gives you more flexibility. Choose the one that makes the most sense for your situation. Next, select the trigger for your automation. The trigger is the event that tells monday.com when to start the rule. For example, you might want the automation to run when a status changes or when a date arrives. This part is important because it defines the exact moment your workflow begins. As you set it up, make sure the trigger matches the real process you're trying to automate, so the rule behaves the way you expect. After that, choose the action that monday.com should perform. This is what happens automatically once the trigger is activated. The action should directly support the workflow on your board. So think carefully about what result you want to happen without manual input. A clear trigger paired with the right action is what makes an automation useful and reliable. When everything looks right, save the automation. After saving, it's a good idea to test it so you can confirm it works properly. Try creating the trigger condition yourself and watch to see whether the action runs as expected. If something doesn't work the first time, review the trigger and action settings and make small adjustments. That's it. You've now created an automation in monday.com that can help streamline your board and make your workflow more efficient.